Why do Xhosa paint their faces? The Xhosa tribe of South Africa uses face paint as a rite of passage. The boys entering adolescence undergo a ritual in which they are separated from the rest of the tribe and embrace the mentorship of an older man. Once the ritual is over, they are painted red. Amongst the Mpondo people of South Africa, spiritual leaders paint their faces and bodies white because this establishes a mythical connection between them and their ancestors.